All right, so this is your graduation project journal 2. By now, you should have already started your hours working with your mentor. Remember, half of your hours are due by the midway point of the semester. All right, so let's look at the topics. For this journal, you actually have to choose two of the following questions, and each question should be a minimum of 75 words. So you have 4 questions. So regardless of if you have started your mentor hours, have not started your mentor hours, or have not even turned in your mentor form, you need to answer 2 of these 4 questions. Now, depending on where you are in the process, that's where you should be. If you haven't started your mentor form, haven't turned it in, or haven't started your hours, probably 3 is one of your best bet to go, and then maybe number 1 would be your best bet to go. But if you're well deep into your hours with your mentor, then you need to you can choose any of the 4 questions. All right, first thing we want to do is we want to format the essay, the Word document. All right, so the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you have it set to double spacing, because it does need to be double spaced. To do that, you're going to go under the paragraph tab, and you should see the line and paragraph spacing, and then you're going to go down to 2. The next thing you want to do is make sure you change the font. The font can be either Times New Roman, or it can be Calibri, but it has to be 12. All right, so at the top, you're going to put your name. You're going to put English 4, my name, and then today's date. You need to write the date all the way out. No 3/26/14. It has to be March 26, 2014. Then you're going to hit enter twice. Then depending on what prompt you do, you want to copy and paste the question, and that will be your title. Now, if let's say you do number 1, you wouldn't copy and paste give specific details. You would just copy and paste the actual question, and that would be your title. So it would look like this. So to center it, you want to click on, still in the paragraph section, you want to click on center, or you can click on your keyboard, Control E, and then you copy and paste the title. Once you copy and paste it, or you can type it, you want to make sure that your paragraph is still back at double spacing. Then you begin typing. Of course, this is a paragraph, at least 75 words, so you always want to indent your paragraphs. Now, the way to check your word count is simply highlight your text that you've typed when you respond to it, and then it will tell you your word count in the bottom. So 75 words really isn't a lot. So, but minimum, it needs to be at least 75 words. Once you've responded to that one, you'll press enter once if you're still in double space, twice if you're in single space, and then you will copy and paste the next question you plan on doing. Yes. All right, now to save the document, what you're going to do is you're going to save it in your graduation project folder in your individual Dropbox folder. So you want to make sure that you save it. Go to File, Save As. To save it, you're going to have your last name, underscore, GP, Journal 2, underscore, last name underscore, first name underscore, GP Journal 2. So last name underscore, first name underscore, GP Journal 2. Now, this same document that I just used to show you, it is going to be in your English 4 folders. And it's simply going to be called GP Journal 2, GP Journal Sample.